Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. All right, so we're looking at page 9 of Habits of a Successful Beginning Band Student, and we are now in 2/4, so we're only counting 1, 2, 1, 2 in every measure. And suspension bridge variation based on the bridge of number 40. So this is number 41. So this is based on the end of page 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So I work through that variation, kind of making that lock in. So new note for 42, new note A, the second position. B flat through the A. You need to make sure you're emptying out often enough too. And 1, 2, 3, nope, sorry. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, last poly. So this is poly Wally Doodle in 2/4. 1, 2, 1. Alright, and then the next section in the book shows articulation ode, indicates a note how it should be played, and they have the lines underneath, which is tenuto, so you're going to be looking for a smooth sound. And you might have a dot underneath or above the note. That might be. So for number 44, sound in space, it goes back and forth. Oh, let's start that again. 44. 1, 2, 3. You want to watch back and forth between the lines and the dots to get the smooth or the short. And it depends on what they show you with those. And that's it for page 9. Thanks for watching. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.